Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto nachos. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making some keto nachos and the chips are going to be something different. So you'll see what that is in a little bit. Right now we're making the ground beef, the taco meat for our nachos. These are going to be taco nachos. So I've got a pound of ground beef here. And I'm going to make my own taco seasoning that is really, really flavorful and super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and add it all in. We've got a half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. We want lots of flavor in our taco meat. Okay, our ground beef, our taco meat is done. So I'm gonna set that aside and we can start making our nachos. I've got a small sheet tray here so we can actually put these in the oven to make it all nice and melty, just how nachos should be. So for our chips, the base of our nachos, we are going to use these Carnivore Crisps, chicken Carnivore Crisps. When I got these the other day, I was like, these would make perfect chips for nachos. So I don't know if I do have another bag of these and I ate some, so I probably should have brought that other bag. But anyway, you will get the idea of how to make. I mean, these are really nice size, chip size, and they're really, I'm gonna make a half of a tray. They're really sturdy, so they're not going to like crack whenever I put the toppings on them. So I'm going to arrange these on half of my sheet tray. I'm just going to make half serving. And then I'm going to top with my ground beef, my taco meat. This will be about enough for, I don't know, one or two people. If I did a whole tray, it'd probably be enough for 4 people, of course. And then I'm going to put cheese on top. Then I'm going to pop this under the broiler to get our cheese nice and melted. Okay, we've got our cheese all nice and melty. Let's add some toppings. If you want, you can add whatever toppings you want. I'm going to add a little bit of tomato. Some diced avocado. And you can also add some sour cream if you want. I'm going to skip it. So I am going to try one of these delicious chips. Look at that. They're so sturdy. It's like a perfect chip. Crispy. So much flavor. That is so good. Those are amazing. I would definitely make this again. And I love the Carnivore Crisps. I love the ribeye. This is not sponsored. I went to their website and bought them because I thought they were so cool. They're better than beef jerky because they're thin and they're like chips. They're easier to eat than beef jerky. I don't like how chewy beef jerky is. And it's just 2 ingredients, chicken and salt, or beef and salt. That's it. So you can find them on their website. They're carnivorecrisps.com. Yeah, and make some nachos. It's delicious, so good. I would eat this over a plate of carb-filled nachos any day. These are amazing. So check out this. Check out my recipe for my taco seasoning. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook, you can, or anywhere. If you're on YouTube or Facebook, just go to jenniferbands.com and search for the taco seasoning. It's on there. And also check out my recipe. If you're on YouTube, you can click this box and check out my recipe for my keto taco pie. If you're on Facebook, you can go to jenniferbands.com and you can search for keto taco pie. You can also go to lowcarbwithjennifer.com. If you don't know how to spell my last name, that's fine. Just go to lowcarbwithjennifer.com and you can search for any of my recipes, but go search for that keto taco pie because it is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.